Effortless chicken coop door. Let technology take care of your poultry. Built tough. Solar automatic chicken coop door.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you.
Programmable light sensor.
You don't do well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be
Multiple usage modes.
in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already
Protect your chickens.
back to games, let my money show.
Installation and operation steps of automatic chicken coop door. The chicken's breakfast begins. Let me see if the hen laid eggs yesterday. Measure and cut the chicken coop door to size. Fixed screen controller. Fixed gate. Three ways to solar charge. Connecting solar panels to chicken coop doors. Battery energy storage. USB direct charge. Press the down button for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Press the up button to open the door and press the down button to close the door. Press and hold the set button for 3 seconds to unlock. Enter the clock setting. Press the set button to switch digits. Press the up or down button to set the value. After the clock is set, press the set key to enter the door opening time setting. After setting the door opening time, press the set button to enter the door closing time setting. 6 o'clock, automatic door opening. 18 o'clock, automatically close the door. After, press the set button to enter the light sensor switch door value setting. The door will open when the surrounding light intensity reaches 5. When the surrounding light intensity is below 5, the door will close. After, press the set button to enter the setting of the closing gravity value. If you accidentally catch a chicken when closing the door will rise for 3 seconds and then pause for 10 seconds. If you want to turn off the anti-pinch mode, just press the set button after the gravity value is set, and then press the up button to select on or off. Long press the up button for 3 seconds to switch between timing mode and light sensitive mode. Use the infrared remote control to open and close the door. In thunderstorm weather, you don't have to worry about the chicken being hurt anymore.